Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Welcome to another episode. Yeah, man, one love, one heart. Let's get together, and be alright. Yeah, man, welcome to the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube, where we grow herbs for tea. We grow fruits and vegetables, but most of all, we grow herb for teas. And I give thanks. I give thanks, So Herbal Laws extended family, I am just here checking the leaves of the plant, Sun is shining. The weather is good. Just want to see if this plant, if sunlight will do greater good for the plant. Yeah, because it get water. So, yeah. It get water, the soil is still moist. But, just look away. I'm going to turn up the soil and put in back the mulch. So this cucumber plant was actually under the mango tree. Yeah, man, but somehow I don't like how it looks, so yeah, take it out in the sun, turn up the soil, yeah, add a little soil to it, add back the mulch to it, yeah, and we'll just observe it in this space for a while. Yeah, man, just observation to see how it react in this area. Give thanks and praises. Yeah, man. So I'm doing some mulching. Also adding soils to the pots that need additional soil. Chrysanthemum. So beautiful. Strikingly beautiful. So there were a few plants in this area, including the chrysanthemum. Mulching is important for the plants, especially when you are from an environment that you don't get rainfall constantly. Yeah, the mulch help to stop soil erosion. Yeah, man, and it also save water, time, energy, and resource. Yeah, man. And when the mulch also decompose or break down, yeah, it nourishes the plant, yeah, nutrients, the soil get nutrients from that, yeah, so yeah, mulching is good. Yeah, man. Giving the plant some ever-grow soil, that they can ever grow and be evergreen, that they can stay fresh. And after adding the soil or mending the soil, I put in back the mulch. Yeah. Does this really help? Yeah, really help. And I give thanks for sunshine, you know. And I give thanks for water. I have mulched a lot of the plants before. Yeah, man, and those plants are doing very well. So I have no doubt in mulching the others that they will also do well. And also, mulching protect from soil erosion. It save water, time and energy and resource. Yeah, man. So mulching is good for your plants. And I also save money on mulching this time around. Yeah, because previously I'd bought some mulch, you know, but this time around the mulch is from cutting the grass at home. Yeah, man, so I save some money, not have to purchase the mulch that I'm using. So that's also a blessing. Say me allergic to poverty. Poor life no fit me. Yes, I. Thanks and praises. Yeah, this is a mixture of roots and, you know, a mixture of roots and biochar. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, biochar. And it also having molasses, you know. Adding some molasses to my roots and biochar water, you know.